we have a ceremony tree planting. After that, we'll go around the farm. You have a quick look at the farm. Just a short tour today because it's very hot. We'll take the bush round so it's very easy for you. And then after that, we have a short lunch for you as well. So I hope you enjoy the day.
This farm was built in around 2002-2003 by the Ghurair family. The farm itself is around 10 square kilometres. It's quite a large area. It's in the foothills of the Salty Mountains. So a very stark, harsh, but actually quite a pretty environment.
As we've introduced a biofiltration system, which you will see out on the farm. This filtration system basically uses another strain of bacteria. We enclose and capture all the ammonia. We pump it into these biofilters, and this other strain of bacteria actually consumes the ammonia, thus eliminating 95% of the ammonia emissions at the farm.
Coming to sustainability, this is a very important element about Ghurair because it is ingrained in our DNA. And at a corporate level, what we try to do is create a uniformity across the sectors that we operate in. And the way in which the UAE is moving forward in terms of supporting the Expo 2020 vision of the government, we try to find ways to promote sustainability here in the UAE itself.
So, to distribute these samplings to various organizations, to individuals, to schools, you can see in the last 6 months, we have distributed 3,273 tree saplings to different organizations, and also we are following it up so that they are not damaged. We are tagging this. You will see outside, we will plant one tree over here also, and they will also initiate the plantation in the plant.
We have operation, commercial and manufacturing operation in 4 countries, UAE, Sudan, Sri Lanka,